Okay, so the next step we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is change the orifice tube. And the orifice tube is an inline filter. And depending on the size of the orifice in this filter, so to speak, there's O-rings on it. Okay, obviously someone used an awful lot of dye in the previous service, but this actually changes the cooler or hot liquid to a cool gas, cold gas, and it'll expand, and now it goes to the system, the evaporator, in a cold gaseous state, and that's where the air flows through the evaporator, and the evaporator creates cold air in the cabin of the vehicle.
If you notice, there's screens around where I'm holding my fingers as well as where Rich is holding his. Those screens are to keep anything that we just flushed out of the condenser up front from getting into the orifice and plugging it. If it was to plug it up completely, you would have nothing, and the compressor would be compressing and driving pressured air into an orifice tube, and the potential for a blown line is really, really high. So if you notice, the screen area is much, much larger on the intake side, which would be this, versus the outlet side. It can reverse flow when you shut it off, which is why there's a screen on the opposite side.
Cool.